tomatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, cucumbers, lettuce, lettuce, radish, radish, onion, onion, garlic, garlic, lemons, lemons, cabbage, cabbage, corn, corn, potato, potato, hot peppers, hot peppers, pumpkin, pumpkin, carrots, carrots, eggplant, eggplant, mushroom, mushroom, cauliflower, cauliflower, broccoli, broccoli, beans, beans. Today we're going to learn about green food vocabulary. Avocado, kiwi fruit, lime, asparagus, broccoli, celery, pear, apple, cabbage, green beans, green peas, cucumber, green pepper, lettuce, spinach, courgette. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn autumn vocabulary. Dew, dewdrop, hoarfrost, maple leaf, fallen leaves, bumper harvest, paddy field, sickle, wheat, thermal underwear, duffel coat, trench coat. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn corporation vocabulary. Executive, entrepreneur, chairman, subsidiary, branch, superior, subordinate, candidate, competitor, middleman, shareholder, public servants. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn show vocabulary. Variety show, serial, episode, talk show, sitcom, sequel, commercial break, stand-up comedy, magic show, magician, mime, stage play. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn drink vocabulary. Sip, quaff, booze, a heavy drinker, a light drinker, toast, tipsy, get wasted, hung over, throw up, blackout, on the wagon. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn shopping vocabulary. Necessities, commodity, grocery store, vending machine, green grocery, second-hand market, flea market, plaza, chain store, kiosk, stall, window shopping. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn hot pot ingredients vocabulary. Quail eggs, spinach, water spinach, lotus root, endive sprout, bamboo shoot, fried bean curd, agaric, coriander, chopped scallions, white radish, bean sprouts. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn hot pot ingredients vocabulary. Beef in hot pot, sliced mutton, fresh tripes, duck blood curd, goose intestine, pork luncheon meat, duck tongue, fresh pork aorta, mashed shrimp, rice cake, starch noodles, fried rice with egg. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn internet celebrity vocabulary. Webcast, live commerce, live room, internet celebrity, follower, mark, blacklist, block SB, hashtag, group buying, sec killing, hype. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn university vocabulary. Alma mater, attendance, play truant, zone out, ask for a sick leave, sick note, resit, dropout, handout, cram, case study, academia. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn news vocabulary. Journalist, host, anchor, press conference, columnist, contribute, publicity, scoop, audience rating, grapevine, scandal, gossip. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn film vocabulary. Screenplay, screenwriter, storyline, acting, slow motion, dubbing, premiere, blockbuster, box office, sequel, censor, movie props. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn library vocabulary. Check out, renew, date of expiry, admission card, call slip, out on loan, in circulation, not for circulation, issue, reference stacks, circulation desk, librarian. Thanks for listening. Today we are going to learn print vocabulary. Print shop, printer, photocopy, fax, paper size, color copy, margins, binding, seal, ink cartridge, paper jam, paper out. Thanks for listening. See you.